My dear golden chicks, can I share something beautiful I've discovered? There comes a moment in our lives when we realize we're not fading. We're transforming. We're evolving into something more magnificent, more authentic, more powerful than we've ever been. But sometimes, our outer appearance needs to catch up with the incredible woman we've become inside. If you've looked in the mirror lately and felt that your reflection doesn't quite match the vibrant spirit within you, if you've noticed your hair losing its vitality, feeling outdated, or just not feeling like you anymore, if you've thought, I need a change, but I don't know where to start, then you, my beautiful friend, have arrived at exactly the right place, at exactly the right time. Your hair is your crowning glory. It's the frame that showcases your beautiful face to the world. It's often the first thing people notice about you. And here's what most women don't realize. The right haircut can do more than just change your appearance. It can realign your entire energy with the confident, radiant woman you are today. It can lift your features, brighten your complexion, open up your face, and yes, take years off your look. Not by hiding your age or pretending to be someone you're not, but by celebrating the timeless beauty that's uniquely yours. I've spent years studying what truly works for women over 60. I've consulted with top hairstylists, talked to thousands of women in our community, and discovered something powerful. There are 3 specific haircuts that consistently deliver transformative results. These aren't complicated, high-maintenance trends that require hours of daily styling. They're timeless, elegant styles that enhance your natural beauty while being wonderfully practical for your real life. Today, I'm revealing these 3 game-changing haircuts that work like magic for women over 60. And I'm not just going to show you what they look like. I'm going to explain exactly why they work, who they're perfect for, and how to style them with minimal effort. Before we explore these beautiful transformations, I need you to do something powerful with me. I want you to type "new chapter" in the comments below. Let's set our collective intention together that this is the beginning of you embracing your most radiant, confident self. Type it now. Feel that energy. This is your moment. And if you're discovering our Golden Chic Life community for the first time, welcome home. This is your sanctuary for style, confidence, and vibrant living after 60. Would you do me the honor of hitting that subscribe button and tapping the bell? Because we have so much wonderful wisdom to share with you every single week, and I don't want you to miss a moment of it. Now, are you ready? Let's discover your perfect cut. Let's begin with the haircut that acts like an instant facelift. Haircut number 1. The soft layered bob. Your instant facelift. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a haircut that acts like a natural, non-surgical facelift. A cut that lifts your features, brightens your face, and makes you look refreshed and vibrant without any effort. That's the transformative power of the soft layered bob. Now, before you think, I've tried a bob before, and it didn't work, let me stop you. This isn't the rigid, helmet-like bob of decades past. This isn't the severe, one-length cut that can actually age you. This modern version features gentle, carefully placed layers that create movement, dimension, and beautiful bounce. These layers naturally draw the eye upward, creating an instant lifting effect that takes years off your appearance. The magic happens in how it frames your face. The length, typically ending at the jawline or just below, creates a beautiful proportion that elongates your neck and defines your features. The soft layers around your face contour your jawline, gently camouflaging any softening or loss of definition that naturally happens as we age. Meanwhile, the interior layers catch and reflect light in the most flattering way, making even the finest, thinnest hair appear fuller, more vibrant, and incredibly healthy. But here's what I love most about this cut. It's the perfect wash-and-go style for the woman who values both elegance and simplicity. You don't need to spend an hour in front of the mirror every morning. This cut is designed to fall beautifully into place with minimal effort. When you visit your stylist, here's exactly what to ask for. Say, I want a soft layered bob with layers that begin at my jawline and are carefully texturized through the ends. This is crucial. You want texture, not blunt heaviness. The texturizing creates body and movement without adding bulk, which is especially important if you have fine or thinning hair. For daily styling, it's beautifully simple. After washing, rough dry your hair with your fingers to about 80% dry. Then, take a medium round brush, not too large, not too small, and blow dry sections away from your face, focusing on lifting the roots. Finish with a light hold hairspray, and you're done. 5 minutes, maximum. The result? You look polished, put together, and effortlessly chic. This cut whispers, not shouts. It says, I am confident in who I am. I am elegant without trying. I understand the power of timeless style. And that, my dear, is magnetic. Who is this perfect for? If you have fine or medium textured hair, if you want a style that's professional yet feminine, if you value low maintenance but refuse to sacrifice elegance, this is your cut. It works beautifully with gray hair, colored hair, straight hair, or hair with a gentle wave. Now, I want to pause here and hear from you. Have you ever had a bob? What was your experience? Type bob in the comments if this is speaking to your heart right now. Haircut number 2. The modern pixie. Bold. Liberating confidence. Now, let's talk about the haircut that makes the boldest statement about confidence. The contemporary pixie. And I already know what some of you are thinking. A pixie? That's too short. That's too edgy. That's not for me. But my dear friend, if you've ever thought pixies were only for young women or that they're too severe, prepare to have your mind completely changed. Today's pixie for women over 60 is soft, incredibly feminine, and expertly sculpted to highlight your most beautiful features. Your gorgeous cheekbones, your expressive eyes, your elegant neck. This isn't the harsh, boyish pixie of the past. This is sculpted femininity. This is sophisticated liberation. Let me tell you why this cut is so powerful. First, it's truly liberating, physically and emotionally. There's something incredibly freeing about letting go of length. Many women describe it as shedding weight they didn't even know they were carrying. It declares, I am completely comfortable in my own skin. I don't need to hide behind my hair. I am confident in my face, my age, my authenticity. But beyond the emotional impact, this cut is remarkably practical and flattering. It's particularly wonderful for fine or thinning hair because it creates a beautiful illusion of volume and fullness with minimal effort. When hair is shorter, it naturally has more lift at the roots. The texture and layers make even sparse hair appear thick and healthy. And here's something most women don't realize. A pixie can actually be more flattering than longer hair as we age. Why? Because it removes all visual weight from around your face, immediately lifting your features and drawing all attention to your eyes and bone structure. It's like removing a heavy curtain and letting light flood into a beautiful room. The secret to a modern, feminine pixie is all in the texture and the graduation. You want longer pieces at the crown for lift and volume, shorter at the nape for that beautiful, elegant neck elongating effect, and soft, piecey texture throughout, never blunt or harsh. Ask your stylist for a pixie with soft, textured layers and a piecey finish, not sharp angles. Styling is wonderfully simple. After washing, towel dry your hair, then work a small amount, and I mean truly small, about the size of a pea, of lightweight pomade or texturizing cream, between your palms. Rub it to warm it, then scrunch it into your hair, focusing on the roots and crown. Use your fingers to piece out sections and create that perfectly imperfect, modern texture. If you want a little extra polish, you can quickly run a flat iron through a few face framing pieces. Total time, 2 to 3 minutes maximum. This cut is perfect for the woman who wants to make a confident statement. If you're tired of spending time on your hair, if you're ready to embrace something bold and freeing, if you want a style that's undeniably chic and modern, this is calling your name. I have to know, has a pixie cut ever called to you? Have you secretly wanted to try it but felt hesitant? Type pixie power in the comments if you've ever considered going short. Let's build each other's courage. Haircut number 3. The long bob. The lob. Graceful, timeless versatility. Our final transformative cut is for the woman who loves the idea of shorter, more manageable hair but isn't quite ready to let go of all her length. This is the beautiful bridge between long and short. The long bob, affectionately called the lob. The lob falls gracefully at shoulder length or just above, typically between your collarbone and shoulders. It maintains that feminine feeling of having hair to tuck behind your ears or gather into a small ponytail, while giving you all the benefits of a shorter, more modern cut. And let me tell you, this cut is having a major moment for women over 60, and for very good reason. The brilliance of the lob lies in its versatility and its universally flattering proportions. The length is long enough to feel feminine and familiar, but short enough to feel fresh, light, and contemporary. It works beautifully with virtually every face shape, hair texture, and personal style. But here's the key to making a lob truly age-defying. It must have the right shape and movement. You don't want a blunt, one-length cut that can look heavy and drag your features down. Instead, you want soft, face-framing layers or a subtle angle that's slightly longer in front and shorter in back. This creates beautiful movement and prevents that dreaded triangular shape that can happen with shoulder-length hair. When you talk to your stylist, ask for a long bob with soft, internal layers and face-framing pieces. The internal layers within the body of the hair that aren't visible from the outside, remove bulk and create movement without sacrificing the polished, put-together appearance of the overall shape. The magic of the lob truly shines in how you style it. For a casual, everyday look, simply blow dry with a paddle brush, directing the hair slightly away from your face. This takes maybe 5 minutes and looks effortlessly chic. For a more polished look, for special occasions, dinners out, or when you just want to feel extra beautiful, create soft waves using a large barrel curling iron or wand. Take sections, wrap them loosely around the barrel, hold for just a few seconds, and release. Then, gently tousle with your fingers and finish with a light texturizing spray. These soft waves open up your face, define your jawline, without harshness, and create a timeless, sophisticated look that works for absolutely any occasion. You can dress it up, dress it down, wear it sleek, wear it textured. It's incredibly forgiving and always looks expensive. This cut is perfect for you if you want something noticeably different from long hair but aren't ready for a dramatic chop. If you love versatility, the ability to wear your hair multiple ways, this is your cut. If you want something modern but not trendy, classic but not boring, manageable but not basic, the lob is your answer. Which of these 3 cuts is speaking to your heart? Type 1 for the soft layered bob, 2 for the modern pixie, or 3 for the long bob in the comments. I genuinely want to know which one you're drawn to. My wonderful, beautiful friend. We've journeyed through 3 powerful paths to rediscovering your radiance. 3 haircuts that can truly take years off your appearance and add confidence to your spirit. But before we finish, I want to leave you with something essential. Something I need you to truly hear and hold in your heart. A spectacular haircut isn't about transforming into someone else. It's not about looking like a model in a magazine or turning back the clock to your 20s. That's not what this is about. This is about revealing the most confident, vibrant, authentic version of yourself. The version that's always been there, sometimes just hidden beneath outdated styles or old patterns. The right haircut helps clear away the visual noise. It removes the distractions, the heaviness, the things that don't serve you anymore. And when you do that, your authentic beauty, the beauty that comes from your spirit, your wisdom, your life experience, shines through more brilliantly than ever before. I want you to understand something profound. You haven't lost your beauty as you've aged. That's impossible. Beauty doesn't fade with time. It evolves. It deepens. It becomes richer, more complex, more interesting. Your beauty has transformed into something wiser, more powerful, more authentically you. Your hair is simply one of your most joyful, accessible tools for expressing this beautiful evolution. You deserve to look in the mirror and feel that spark of joy. That rush of, yes, this is me. You deserve to walk through the world feeling confident in how you present yourself. You deserve a haircut that makes you feel beautiful, not one that makes you feel invisible or outdated. So here's your mission, and I'm serious about this. I want you to take action. Right now, take a screenshot of the haircut that made your heart respond. The one where you thought, yes, that's the one. Save that image. And your next courageous step? Show that image to your hairstylist. Book that appointment. Take that step toward the woman you're ready to become. Then, and this is so important, I want you to come back here after you get your haircut and share which style you chose. Tell me your experience. Share your transformation. I read every single comment, and I am here as your biggest cheerleader, your supporter, your friend celebrating every brave step you take. If this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, if it helped you see your beauty through fresh, loving eyes, if it gave you the courage to try something new, please share it with a friend. Share it with that woman you know who's been feeling stuck, who's been hiding behind the same old style, who deserves to see herself through that same generous, loving lens. And if you believe, as I do, that genuine style and confidence don't diminish with age but mature beautifully like fine wine, we would be truly honored to have you join our Golden Chic Life family. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, because this is just the beginning of our journey together. We have so much more to explore. Fashion, beauty, wellness, confidence, living your most vibrant life at every age. Thank you, from the depths of my heart, for your precious time. Thank you for your beautiful spirit. Thank you for being the incredible, courageous, magnificent woman you are. Now, go forth and radiate. Go forth and shine. Go forth and embrace the beautiful transformation that's waiting for you. Remember, your most radiant chapter. It's happening right now. Stay bold, stay beautiful, and never ever stop sparkling.